All right, really quick little dictation process video. So I wanted to walk through what I do every day when I write to get dictated my chapters. So I'll write about 2,500 words a day. And what I do is I will take this little, this is a Sony voice recorder. I will have the actual name up on the screen. It's about $50. You can use your iPhone as well, just record anything that can turn it into an MP3. So for me, I will record on this little guy. And then from there, what I do is, this actually has a USB. So I plug this directly into my computer, or if I had an adapter for my phone, I would plug that in. And then it lets me see all the files that are on here. I usually delete everything as soon as I transcribe them. And I will drag and drop those directly into bookscribe.ai, which is a dictation to transcription tool made by Seth Ring, author of the Battle Mage Farmer series. He does a bunch of different great lit RPG books. So he built that tool for free. It's completely free currently. It might have a subscription model in the future, but I will definitely be paying that because I use it every single day, multiple times a day. And it basically has no limits. It dictates it, transcribes it really well. But from there, I will then put all of that really messy text, usually just one massive block of thousands of words of what I wrote that day through dictating. I will then put that into Claude. And then with Claude, I have a prompt that essentially tells it, go through and add punctuation and paragraph spacings between what I wrote that day. It'll also put the dialogue tags around where I want it to, and it will replace homophones and character names with things that the transcription software can't quite get. From there, I just go straight into editing, and that is essentially my dictation process daily. I do have a free gift for you if you made it this far in the video. That is This Bleeding Light. That is a short story that I wrote kind of in a blend of Dune and Red Rising, inspired by a single sentence from Dune, God, Emperor of Dune. So it's a really weird book if you know about it, but a little bit experimental because I usually don't write in first person. So you can check that out. It's completely free. Link in the description. If you want to read along with what I'm writing currently, I'm actually putting out my latest novel right now on Royal Road. A new chapter comes out every other day. That is Wolves of Imperium, soon to get a new cover and a new name as Wolves of Peace. You can read that over here. The link is also in the description. Thank you guys for joining me. I hope you'll have a great day. I'm gonna go chill with my dog. Blessings and family.